Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Ila Anand Acharya, your certified life coach and your law of attraction coach, your friend as well. So, as I told you that whenever I get some time, I always grab this opportunity to record my video. And no doubt today is 7th Jan 2022, and I'm recording this second video of mine. And uh, just previously I have in the previous video I have just talked about visualization, and I mentioned that I will be very soon coming with meditation video, so I'm recording this. So I would like to share this that meditation topic already I have covered on my podcast twice. That is, one during a season 2 I have covered it, what is meditation, how to do, and what are the different types of meditation. And second, I have covered meditation in season 3, where it was a specific process from the book Ask and It Is Given. And in this process, Abraham Hicks explains how meditation can help you to always also manifest your desires. So these are the two ways in which I have explained meditation on my podcast. So along with this video, you can also refer my podcast and just have a go through that also. So basically I knew about meditation long back, and my husband was uh, doing his meditation in this heartfulness, this there is one what we can say, one institute or kind of thing, where heartfulness, mindfulness, there he used to go for meditation along with his friend. And he has done that for few months, and then he was busy in his job. So while doing my certified life coaching course, I also was finding out some problem in being relaxed and anxiety and all that, because of the the corona effect and everything was there. So one day I just called Mohit and I said that I need something, and he suggested me that yes, you have to do meditation, and meditation is the solution to feel cool, calm, relax, and it will solve all your problems. And you have to first of all do it uh, slowly, steadily, and then do it on the regular basis. So that was in May 2020. Okay, May 2020 I have started meditation for the first time. And I have seen meditation videos, ample videos on the YouTube, and I was like, okay, this is how it should be done. This is how it should be done. There were many things, but I have not actually tried. But at that moment in May 2020, I needed it the most. So finally, I started meditation. And initially, as I have already heard about how to do meditation from Abraham Hicks video, so I followed her. And I followed her like I usually early in the morning I wake up at 5:30 a.m. Then just get up fresh for 5 minutes. I sit back in a relaxed position, my back straight, and I close my eyes. I open my hands on when I cross the legs, and then I close my eyes and I focus on any constant sound. That is what Abraham teaches, and that is what I follow. So I focus on only one constant sound which is coming in my room. So that is usually in May, it was like my fan is on, my AC is on. So I always used to concentrate on the humming sound of the fan which is running. So the thoughts, immediately when I close my eyes, I try to focus on the humming sound. Thoughts comes, it comes and goes and comes and goes, and again I just shift my focus and focus on one thought, the humming sound of the fan. And slowly, steadily, one day, second day, third day, I was able to feel the numbness. I was able to feel the no thought state in my meditation. So this was my story. So basically, meditation is a process in which you have to feel, you have to have a relaxed atmosphere. Try to focus on your breath. That has been said by many YouTube channels, and even Mohit says that focus on your breath, inhaling of the breath, then exhaling of the breath. So the most important part is to focus on any one point. That is, either you focus on your breathing, either you focus on the humming sound of the fan, either you focus on the humming sound of your AC, or any particular constant sound which is coming in that silent atmosphere. So slowly steadily you can start coming into this no thought condition, where you feel the tickling, where you feel the numbness, where you feel connected to the divine source. That is, you feel many different people feel many different sensations in their body. Somebody get headache also. It depends on how their body system is working on the meditation. But the good news is I followed that from May, June, July, August, September, October, and all these months continuously doing has made me feel more confident. My anxiety has gone. I feel more relaxed. I feel more happy. I feel that I am manifesting my goals effortlessly because of all this meditation. And it has been a part of my life so long till then, like 2 years it's been now. And I have always suggested my student that start with meditation. Mohit also provide us with the guided meditation which we can use, so that even it can help us. Otherwise, there are so many benefits of meditation which helps you to improve on your blood circulation, your immunity increases, and I have all that benefits I have mentioned in my podcast, so you can just go through there also. And second thing I want to mention over here is that meditation you can do anytime. Usually we have this that we can do early in the morning, or we can do before sleeping only, but it is not like that. I can prefer that whenever you get some time, whenever in the entire day, whenever you are getting some time, afternoon, evening, 10-15 minutes, because it should not be more than 10-15 minutes. 15 minutes is enough. So whenever you are getting some time, that time you grab that opportunity to meditate. And you can meditate many times also. It is not that only once you can meditate or twice you can meditate. You can meditate 2-3 times as per your requirement, as per the feeling you get while after meditation. Okay, so that is the first part. And the second part is that even when you are working something and you're focusing on something, that is, while cooking you are focusing on the cooking part, while reading you are focusing on the reading part, while listening to music you are focusing on the listening part. So that all is meditation, but focus on one point and then reach to that no thought level is what will give you the ample benefits about the meditation. So thank you. If you still have any doubt, please do let me know. And I have tried to explain you meditation based on my experience, but there are many other videos also available which you can refer. And as you all know that I am a part of Mind, Body and Soul. So you can always contact Mohit for free phone counseling and any other workshops you want to enroll for. Thank you so much.